How easy peasy it is to create your own paper flowers with the basic die cuts. So welcome back to my channel friends, this side Sonia here from Growing Craft, and today we are going to learn how to make your own paper flowers. So yes, whatever the supplies we are using are available on our website growingcraft.com. Do check that and let's get started. So here I have two sizes and I am going to make beautiful paper flowers with this. So first we will start with the smaller ones, okay? In this acrylic block I have already taken up the shades which I wanted. So I wanted some pink, some purple and blues, and I'm just going to keep this aside. These are like absolutely you can take any of the colors. I have taken up my dye based ink pads. Then first I'm going to hand pick some of these small flowers. Like I said, first we are going to work with the small flowers. Now this is like a pre-cut flower and आप इसको use करके you can make any color flower and you can just give shapes very easily. So let me just show you how to do it. So first I am going to add my color to my flower. So I'm just going to dab the edges because that is something which is going to be way more visible. Can you see this? So this is the pink shade. Now this is the blue shade. Okay, and the last one is my purple magenta kind of shade and this looks beautiful. So अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ज़्यादा shades भी लगा सकते हैं. If you want a lighter, you can just go for the soft tone, and it's completely okay to have any of these shades. It completely depends on what kind of look and feel you want for your flowers. Okay, so I'm just going to use these three shades right now. अब हमें इसको करना है स्कोर. सो उसके लिए आई हैव टेकन अप दिस फोम बेस एंड व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू यूज माय tools. Now tools में you can pick any, like आपका mandala art tool or the flower making tool or this dot tool. So any of these works absolutely fine. And आपको इसको हर एक फ्लावर को अपने फोम के ऊपर रखना है. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, जब भी आप इसमें ग्रूविंग करें, इट हैज़ टू बी फ्रॉम टॉप टू द सेंटर. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, from top to the center. And can you see how my flower has bent? Okay, can you see this? It has got a nice groove on it. Yeah, can you see this? So this looks amazing. अभी हमने सिर्फ एक ही petal किया है, so only this one has the groove. Likewise, I can do it on all the sides. Now I'll just show you the other one, and this is how my other petal looks like. Just one groove. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just pressing my flower once and you can see a nice groove. So earlier it was a flat flower like this. Can you see the size का difference? There is a drastic change in the size. Why? Because we have grooved this one. Okay, now this one was with the tool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take up my dot mandala tool and I'm going to repeat the same process and just 2 strokes. And can you see this? It has grooved so pretty well. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको यही चाहिए वही चाहिए. You can use any of these. The only thing is you need this flower base and you are so good to go. And I'm just grooving all the petals. Okay, and you can see how nicely it has taken up the shape. Can you see this? Isn't it beautiful? So this is one of the easiest technique of doing your grooving work. Now just in case if you don't even have any of these tools, so this is my Anukul brush. Okay, I'm going to make my petals with this also. So मैंने कोई water use नहीं किया है. I have not used any other liquid or anything. Just my flowers. I have used the shades I want. If you don't want any shades, अगर आपको plain white में बनाने हैं, you can use that also. And can you see my 3 flower bases are ready. Now the next step is to create the beautiful layers. So मैंने यहाँ पे already एक बना के रखा है. You guys can see this, that how beautifully I have layered my flowers. Now how to do this layering, because this is very 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 important. So what I am going to do is I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, so मैंने वापस अपना foam base लिया है. You can see the alternates in the description box. And of course the flower bases are there on our website at growingcraft.com. So पहले मैंने लिया है plain base जिसके ऊपर मैंने ऑलरेडी ग्रूविंग की है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड माई एडिसिव. सो एज इट्स अ पेपर फ्लावर, बहुत सारा एडिसिव नहीं यूज़ करना है, जस्ट फ्यू डॉट्स, लाइक लिटरली वो दिखेगा भी नहीं आपको. एंड देन यू नीड टू स्टिक द फ्लावर विच यू हैव यूज द कलर्स. ना इफ़ यू वॉन्ट यू कैन डू द लेयरिंग विद द कलर्ड वंस. लाइक इसमें मैंने हर एक लेयरिंग में कलर की है, बट हियर आई वॉन्टेड टू हाईलाइट माई pink color. So what I have done is I have taken the upper flower with the colored one and the bottom one is without color, the plain white. So can you see the difference? This looks more bluish, this looks more of a neon look. So it depends on what kind of look and feel you want. अब हमने इसको वापस press करना है from the center. Okay, and now you can see how beautiful it has turned out. This looks amazing. सो लेयरिंग करते वक्त यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि जब भी हम पेटल स्टिक कर रहे हैं ना, ओके, सो कैन यू सी द गैप बिटवीन दीज टू. इसको आपको ऐसे स्टिक करना है सो दैट ये दो पेटल्स के बीच में हमारा दूसरा पेटल दिखे. एंड कैन यू सी दिस. अब मुझे ये कितना डीप चाहिए, कितना स्प्रेड आउट चाहिए, इट इज़ ऑन मी. मैं इसको जैसे प्रेस करूँगी ये वैसा ही बनेगा. So it is, like I always say, it is up to you how you want the look and feel of your project. Same way में हम थर्ड को भी करेंगे, बट यहाँ पे मैं इसमें एक और कलर ऐड करूँगी just to add a little more drama. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you just can have only one layer of flower and like one layer of color. No, you can add 2-3 layers and they work absolutely fine. Okay, and can you see this? So here my 3 different flowers are ready. अब टाइम है इसको fill up करने का. Okay, so now for filling it up I am going to use my glitter. So whatever the glitters I am using, it is like completely my choice which shades I want. So I have decided to go for these 3 ones. Okay, so let me just see how I can use it. So first for the purple one I'm going to pick up the flower and I'm just going to have some of the shades on the white and the purple both. Okay, so this I have done. अब मैं इसके ऊपर स्टिक करूँगी मेरा पर्पल ग्लिटर. आई जस्ट हैव टू स्प्रिंकल इट अ लिटिल. ओके, एंड आई जस्ट make it upside down and you can see how beautifully my other flowers are also looking. So this looks super cute. अब इसके ऊपर just हमें कोई stone लगाना है just to give a little more center filler वाला look. So you can use any of the filler. So here what I'm using is this particular stone and my cute little flower is ready. Likewise I'm going to fill up the remaining ones and you can see मैंने इसमें एक flat flower बनाया है. Then I've made this bunch also. So this is how you can create cute little flowers of different colors and color combinations and they look absolutely amazing. So after doing the smaller flowers, now it's time to do the bigger flowers and this is like quite big flower. And अब इसको करने के लिए the same technique. मैंने यहाँ पे पहले लिया है मेरा acrylic block, उसमें I have added colors and I'm going to make this as a multi-color flower. I don't want to go with one single color of flower, so I'll just randomly pick up the colors. मैं सिर्फ कलर्स में डैब कर रही हूँ अपने पेपर्स को थोड़ा. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू गिव अ वाटर कलर इफेक्ट यू कैन डू नाइस वाटर कलरिंग टेक्निक ऑल्सो, बट देन हियर आई वाज like quite happy with just having the solid colors, and you can see how beautiful this looks. जो भी extra color है, I'll just rub it on my base. Okay, so I have these 3 pieces ready with me. Again, इसको बनाने के लिए first I'm going to take my base and I'm going to lay all these flowers here. Then you can take any of your tools and start grooving it. Okay, now as it's a big flower, you might need to do a little more grooving, but then it's absolutely fine, and the final outcome is going to be super gorgeous. And can you see the nice natural laying on this? This looks amazing. Yeah, this looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, and I'm just going to push this inside. Okay, from top to bottom, ऊपर से अंदर की तरह, and you are done. So already ये बनाते बनाते ना I have already decided that which is going to be my first layer, which is going to be my second layer, and which is going to be my third layer. And in fact I can even add my smaller flowers to it. Let me show you it that way also, because smaller flowers में ना you don't need much of center fillers, but for the bigger ones adding the center filler is going to add a little more drama to your flowers. And I absolutely love having drama in my projects. So yes, that is the reason I think the smaller flowers will look pretty good. I have already tried this technique a lot of times. बहुत सारे मेरे scrapbook projects, mixed media, frames, decoupage projects लिए I have like literally used these flowers. So हमने जो पहले किए थे small flowers, these are the leftovers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these with this. So let us start. Actually I need to keep it here only. Okay, so I am going to start my layering now. So this is the darkest part, so I'm going to keep this at the bottom. Anyways, it's a layering, so अगर आप single color कर रहे हो, you don't have to think about these things, but I just thought of adding this here. Okay, so I'm taking my Anukul brush and pressing this up. Then I'm going to add my, so my first layer, second layer, this is my third layer, and after each layer ना इसको press करते जाना है so that it does not loses its shape. That is more important. Let me just show you. Okay, now let me show you a plain piece. Can you see? Imagine this was this flower earlier, and अब इसके साथ में ना I just want to add a lot of colors. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add this blue color. इसमें मैंने already 3 layering की हुई है, so actually I'm making a 5 layer flower. So just imagine how thick and beautiful this is going to look. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to keep this on my base. First I'll start with my glitter work. So I'm just going to dab some adhesives, random, एकदम ही random, कोई specific नहीं. The more random the natural look it will have, the more beautiful it is going to look. So I already have some of the glitters here, and I'm just going to randomly spread this. Okay, and you can see the nice colors here, and this looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Now before removing my glitter, what I'm going to do is इसी के ऊपर ना I will add my white stones. Okay, and I just want to make it as beautiful as I can, so I'm thinking of adding some of the stones here and there so that it looks amazing. Okay, and अब इसके बाद में मैं सिर्फ स्प्रिंकल करूँगी अपने स्टोन्स को. कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, देयर इज़ नथिंग स्पेसिफिक कि इतना डालना है उतना डालना है. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू वांट योर flower to be. And can you see this? Can you see this? This looks absolutely amazing. So here my cute little flowers are ready, and can you just imagine like creating these flowers from these plain bases. So it was this before our coloring and grooving, and this is how it has been turned out. So literally without any too much of effort, you are creating this your DIY flowers. So do try this at home. Whatever the supplies I have used are there on our website growingcraft.com. Do check that, and do let us know if you have tried it out, how it turned out, and do let us know if you guys have any other trick to do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.